All right, I'm going to show you how I make a smoker for my gas grill. Right here I have Weber wood chips. Right here I also have some aluminum foil. I like to use heavy duty aluminum foil. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take some aluminum foil. Generally give it about 2 feet. And what I do is I go ahead and fold it in half. It doesn't have to be perfect, but get close to it. And then I take about a cup of wood chips, of Weber hickory wood chips that I'm putting on here. Probably a little bit more than the cup right there. And then I'm going to go ahead and fold it half like this. Make sure they're in the middle, the center. Fold it in half. What you want to do is fold the edges up like this, and then fold the sides up like this. And you want to get it a nice fold. You kind of want it to be airtight somewhat. All right, so once you have that, fold it down. And then the last thing that you want to do is to take something and poke a small hole in the top of it. Just one hole is all that you're going to need. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and take this. Make sure you can poke a hole in and see the wood. And that's how you make a smoker.